Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Amber and I need to clip my toenails. Yeah, I need to clip my toenails. I don't know if there's too much information, but y'all didn't come here to see my feet or anything like that. But I just want to let y'all know that my Uggs are about to be sandals because I need to clip my toenails. But if you clicked on this video, you already know why you're here. We're going to talk about the MAC Cosmetics Christmas 2020 collection. We're going to get straight to it. I didn't pick up too much from the collection. I just got like maybe 5 or 6 items. I was just really underwhelmed with the collection as a whole. But the items that I do have are the ones that I felt that I needed in my collection, or I felt were like the best value, or just offered something different. I'm going to start with the eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow palette is the Rocket toFame eyeshadow palette. I have it like on the back here. I don't like how everything is just kind of written that metallic. It's hard to read it on the back. So it is, yes, the Rocket toFame eyeshadow times 12 palette. And this is the eyeshadow palette here. It has a very cute color story. It's mainly cool tone. It has some purples. It has some gold, champagnes. And of course we got carbon in there. Excuse me. They always put carbon in there. I'm at the point I'm tired of seeing carbon. Like almost every eyeshadow palette I have has carbon in it, and I get it. But for someone who already has like an individual pan of carbon, and as an artist, I never run out of carbon. I'm just kind of tired of seeing that. So I really do wish they would put something else in there. But these are the colors, and it's kind of confusing the order that they have them in as far as like the naming of the colors. But I'm just gonna swatch them. And this eyeshadow palette is another one that kind of leans more cool tone, more pinks and silver. So this one here, this is, like I said, I don't know the name, so that's one. Then this one here, I'm gonna swatch that one here. Just put that there. It's kind of hard to do with it in my hand. So that's that pretty silver metallic-y color. Then we have this one here. This looks like a rose gold, but it swatches very baby pink. It's really pretty though. Now this one here, I like to use this as a transition color. That's what I have on my eyes right now. And it is a very cool tone, beigey color. So that's the color there. And this one is pretty. It's like a poppin' pink. A little dual chrome there, a little dual chrome action going on there. Then this one's kind of like a deep pink and leans more red. Actually, on me it leans more red. So it's kind of like a pinky red. Then we're gonna go here in the center with this dark purple here. That's that purple. Then we have a deeper purple right here. That one's really nice. That one swatched very nice. Then we have this little, some gray, kind of like a graphite looking gray, which I've been kind of feeling the graphite grays lately. And then this one's like a dual chrome. It's like a blue, green, black. So these are the colors here. They, and let me swatch carbon. Let me quit tripping. I'm gonna swatch carbon. I'm gonna put carbon right there. Of course, we all know what carbon looks like, and it doesn't have that shimmer in it. It's just from my finger. But these are the colors in the eyeshadow palette. These are the swatches. And just as a point of reference, I am a NC40 right now. I'm an NC44 right now. So I go anywhere from a 43 to like a 46. And my highlight, I'm just not realizing, honey, my highlight is, she's shiny today. She real shiny today. I'm oily, I'm greasy, I'm fried chicken, I'm all this stuff. I'm unblended. It's some shit going on here, and I don't even know how to explain it. But this is the eyeshadow palette. It retails for $39.50. So I did grab this. And I got this little pencil here. It's an eye pencil. These were like some double-sided, like PowerPoint pencils, I want to say they are. Yeah, PowerPoint crayons. And this is nice. I thought this is a cute little touch to have like two colors. It has like this black here, and then on the other side it has like this graphite grayish silver, which I have been feeling this season, so I really do like that. And I have the black on today. This looks really good, and the thing I like about this particular graphite gray silver is this is a silver that looks good on all skin tones, especially deep skin tones. It's so hard to find a gray or a silver that looks good on my deeper girls because it can lean ashy, you know? But this one here, she ain't ashy at all. So I do like that. And I have been using this as a base for my Silver Bells eyeshadow, which, let me go in my little bag here. This is Silver Bells. I did pick this up. Now this is gorgeous. It takes a lot for me to fall for a silver. Overall, I kind of hate silver a little bit. But lately, I've been feeling her because they've been coming out with some really good silvers this season. So that Silver Bells, I mean, it looks like a quarter. You hear me? A straight up quarter. Not quarter, quarter. So that's Silver Bells. Silver Bells is gorgeous. I wore this the other day. You couldn't tell me nothing but how fine I was, B. And this is Silver Bells swatch on top of that liner. Look at how great that is as a base. Like, this is just Silver Bells by itself. This is Silver Bells on top of the liner. And I'm going to swatch the liner on the side of Silver Bells again. I mean, it makes a difference. Like, it really makes a difference. So, if you decide to buy Silver Bells, do not buy Silver Bells and not buy this pencil. It's like the bomb, okay? So, I really was impressed by that. Now, the other eyeshadow I bought, this one to me, I have that on right here. It's kind of like a shimmery champagne looking color. It's beautiful as well. This one's called Sparktacular. But one thing I did notice about this one, it's more glitter than it is shadow, if that makes any sense to me. I mean, makes any sense. But I'm just gonna swatch it here on my other hand. You see, it's very pretty. Don't get it twisted now. But on me, it's kind of more loosey glittery, which is fine. I'm not mad at it because your girl still got it on. So that is Sparktacular. So I did pick that up. And I also picked up a lip topper. It's Once Bitten, Twice Icy. I think that's what it is. Once Bitten, Ice Shy. So like Once Bitten, Twice Shy. And excuse a little dirty tip. I'm kind of rolling it off a little bit. But I did use this, and this is very, very, very sheer. And I like that. A lot of people may be disappointed because I believe some people may be expecting to be like a white silver or something like that. But it's not. It's very pretty, especially with like a soft pink or soft brownish pink lip pencil. It picks up very nicely. So I like it. It's just like a nice shimmer lip topper. I put this on top of my lipsticks. I can wear it by myself, but it's a luster finish. But I just like to use it as a lip topper. So that is that. So, and these, oh, I'm sorry. The eyeshadows retail for $20 and this retails for $20. So sorry for forgetting that. And I'm going to get to the last thing here. And to me, this is like the best part of the collection. And that is the brushes. I always skip out on the brushes. Like, it's very seldom where I actually buy the holiday brushes. One, I don't really care for like short handle brushes. I kind of like the long handle brushes. And it's not for, I prefer the long handle brushes in my kit. But as I realize as an artist, I do prefer to have my own set of brushes that I use only on me. So I did want to get some travel size brushes. So I did get the brush set this year. These are a little dirty because I've been using my shit, son. So I'm very impressed with the brush set. And that's a lot coming from me. Like, that's a whole lot coming from me because usually I will find something wrong with the brushes. But they're a little heavier, a lot more sturdy this year. And they're playing around with like some new brush shapes. This has been my favorite one. This is the 423 SES. Thought y'all about to say some SEX, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. So inappropriate. But this brush is like an angled face brush. The fibers are very dense, and it has been hitting me real good up under the eye for my like concealer and my foundation. It's been getting me good for them contours. It fits really good down the side of my nose. Like, this has been like my favorite brush. I want them to bring this back in a larger size regular brush, because this brush is amazing. The set retails for like $49, and it has the brush pouch, and of course it has like the angle brush. They put that in there every year. And I do like the fact that they put some eye brushes here, which is like an angle liner brush, a blending brush. And this one, it's kind of like this one. It's the little baby angle brush. I've been using it for like my tear ducts, and kind of like as a lip brush as well. I'm very impressed with this. I like how they played around with some new brush shapes. And I like the fact that they mixed the eye and the face, because one of the main reasons I did not purchase a holiday gift set when it comes to the brushes every year is because I felt like they would bully you into buying them both. Because I don't know if y'all remember, they would have one kit that had like only face brushes and the other kit that had only eye brushes. And I'm like, you won't spend $100 on these little ass brushes. So I'm glad that they did mix them up. So you kind of got like a nice little mixture of brushes for the face and the eyes, and perfect for traveling. Comes in a cute little bag with these little ice crystal things on the end. So I really did like that. So far I have been enjoying the collection. As far as if it's worth your money, I would not say the whole collection is worth your money. Like the other lipsticks, I was really not impressed by them. They're all colors we've seen before. Who wants another pink? Who wants another fuchsia? Who wants another red? Like, I mean, if that's you, that's you. But I didn't really see anything that just jumped out at me. I skipped out on the face palettes. It takes me forever to use a highlight palette. I have tons of highlight palettes that I've been given and bought and just collected over time that I'm still working on trying to finish. As I've stated in my last video, I'm in the process of starting my own no-buy. So I'm over like the highlights and the face powder. So I skipped those. I skipped the lip glosses. Again, I have plenty of lip glosses, so I skipped all of those. I'm at the point to where even when somebody tried to give me a lip gloss from that collection, I wouldn't even take it. And it's not me talking bad about the collection. I'm just tired of damn lip gloss. Got too much of it. So yeah, that completes my review. I love the colors. They blend very well. They're opaque. The formulas are good. Even though this is like a limited edition, a holiday collection, they didn't skip out on the quality. The quality is really good. If you want lip glasses and you want some pink lipsticks and stuff like that, you know, then you'll have a field day with this collection. But as for me, I just got some eyeshadows and one lip topper. That's really it. That was the only thing that stood out to me. But get in the comments and let me know if you have already purchased this collection and what are you going to get from the collection, if anything. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so whenever I do another video, you be the first to know. How? And as I say at the end of my videos, if you don't watch my videos, you done got my reviews, you got my, my comments and, my opinions, and you watching my videos and you ain't subscribed and you ain't hit like and you hit dislike, you're ugly. It's I ain't right. But I love y'all, Bruce Sugars. Come back and see me back.